do perfect surgery. You do all the rehab, 20% chance of doing it.
Yes, as well.
Oh, wow. That's my potato? Yan na. Ito yung Wagyu. So, ito yung amin. Ito yung aming Wagyu. Ay, bakit ganyan?
What was that?
Escargot po to. Escargot. Tapos, ito po ang escargot. Ang itsura ng escargot. Good evening. Ako po ay pupunta ng El Gaucho para kumain. Nako, late ako kasi ako nag-drive. Hindi ako ma-parking yan. Dami-daming tao. Hindi kaya ng bali parking. Nandito na po ako. Magpa-fine dining kami. Pero nasaan na yung mga kasama ko? Where are they? Nawawala po ako. Nandito na po kami. Nakita ko na yung mga kasama ko. Sila yung mag-order na ng steak. So, medyo hindi ko maano kasi may piano pa dito eh. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ambience. Ayan, yan ang ambience. Sa tataas, ganyan po yung tsura. I'm not copying you. Sabi na asawa ko, kinakopy ko. Ito kasi order ko, oh. Itong Wagyu. Wagyu. O-orderin ko yung Wagyu. Ay, naku, wala, hindi makita. Sige na nga. Wagyu. Hindi pa rin talaga makita kahit na paano. Ayan. Ayan po yung ordering ko. Miyazaki Wagyu, New York. 8 pounds, malaki. Gutom ako ngayon, hindi ako kumain. $180 po isa. Ayan naman kasama ko. Mga BFF ko. Tapos this is Jill. Meet Jill. That's my son. Magkatabi sila ng Tito Lance niya, oh. Lagi pong ganyan yan. Congratulations! Si Pastor, tapos na PhD niya, hindi lang siya pastor, he's a doctor now too. Walang pagkain dito sa fine dining. Tinapay. May cheese siya. Toasted na. Masarap siya. Kaya lang minsan hindi ko ako makapag-ano dahil mayroong nagpe-piano. Since nagpa-fine dining ka, gaganito mo. Nakakulay puti po. Gagawin ko. Ilalagay ko dito. Para hindi mag-ano yung aking. O, tingnan mo. So, kahit fine dining talagang ganito po ako.
Lemon butter sauce, but again, we can always put that on the side.
Maybe Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts?
Butter on the side.
The butter on the side, yeah. And just a small Brussels sprouts, or do you want to do a large? It'll be a small. Okay, thank you. All right, what do you think?
I have the same too.
How would you like your 8-ounce Wagyu prepared?
8 ounce medium well.
Medium well, so just slightly pink.
He's dictating me. I'll have the soup. What's the soup today?
Okay, so we have the New England style clam chowder with bacon in it. We have creamy mushroom soup with truffle oil on top.
The mushroom one.
Okay, any sides of potatoes or vegetables?
Potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. So I think, is this your son down here? He ordered
my adopted son.
He ordered mashed potatoes.
Actually, they're my best friends.
Okay.
These are her kids. But he grew up with me. So he was
nice.
He was a
like
little
a big
son.
happy family. So there are 2 small sides of mashed potatoes at the table already. They're family style. It'll be enough for you to share.
What's the nicest one? Any potatoes, it's okay with me.
Well, so they already have mashed potatoes coming. So that should be enough to share with you. I think they will. Because it's family style.
Okay.
Okay? So I don't think you need to order another one. But if you do, it's a 2-second fix and I'll get you more potatoes.
That's fine.
Okay. All right. Appetizers will be 2.
Oh, order. First,
And you were having the...
do you have a root beer?
Yes.
Can I
I'll
have?
bring you one.
They didn't ask me for drinks yet.
Oh, that's because you showed up late.
I know.
See?
No, I have to park the car.
Okay, fine. See, we'll work together. All right, I'll get you a root beer.
Thank you. Mabait yung aming server. So, I'm eating
What was that?
escargot po to.
Just
Escargot.
wait.
I'm eating an escargot. Oh, malay, tikman mo to, oh. Guys, ang appetizer ko, lagi ako sa Paris, lagi po ako nag-order niyan ng escargot. Tapos, ito po ang escargot. Ang itsura ng escargot. Ang init nga. Oh. Alam, masarap. Lagi ako nag-order dito eh. Manay, tikman mo, oh. Escargot. Makain ka ba ng kuhol? Social nga eh. Alam mo sa Paris ko pa yan ano. Paano natin ano? Pag ano mo nga. Escargot. Hindi pwede si lunch yan kasi may butter eh. Marami pong tinapay. Baka mabusog ako sa tinapay. Dumating yung wagyu ko. Yung wagyu ko namin, pareho kami. Ayaw niya po ako mag-order ng wagyu. Gusto niya pork chop. Eh, wagyu yung pinakamahal dito. $180. This time, in order ko 8 pounds. Kasi, yung sa Japan, 4 pounds lang yata. Hindi ko alam, 4 pounds, $82 lang nga. Mahal talaga. Mahal yung wagyu. At ano, no? Mahal talaga.
Looks nice, I've never been.
Drop. Ito po yun, kuhol. Kuhol na kuhol. Halos maubos na yung kuhol ko. So, part of my steak, tinatanong ko gusto ko daw ng soup. So, ang kinuha ko soup ay yung mushroom. Mahilig po ako sa mushroom. Ayan.
The mushrooms yet?
Well, not yet. I'm cooking the mushroom.
What are you gonna cook it?
Tomorrow. I'm cooking that. Yeah, I'm cooking the mushroom that I bought today. I'll put some beef on it. Yeah. Doon naman sa Italy, yung mga truffle, doon lang po ako nagustuhan ko yung mga truffle nila. Pero, kaya nung nagpunta ako sa doon, laging bumili ako ng madaming truffle. Kaya overacting ako pagdating sa ganyan, pag nagustuhan ko. Ang sarap ng kanila. Ang restaurant nito, ang pangalan niyan, El Gaucho. Ayun, medyo mahal pricey dito. Pero, paminsan-minsan naman, kumain tayo na masarap. Diba? So, paborito namin mag-asawa itong lugar na ito. Siguro pang 5 beses namin. Ito mo yung ano.
It was good.
Ano mo yung chef o galing-galing.
So what? Yeah.
Magpi-plating na siya ng aming mga steaks with the sauce. Ayan na. Ganyan talaga yan.
They're slippery too.
Plating na yan. Oh, ganito po ang ano. Yeah.
This just rib steak here for you. I'll split right up there for you. Do you want to take a picture before I go over to it? That is.
Nawala. Oh, look at that.
All right, I'm just going to carve this right
Nawala
here for you.
Ayan na po.
So who would like the bone on the plate? On their plate?
I'll take the bear.
Okay. So first we're gonna do that. We're gonna carve off that bone here first. And here comes the fire show right now.
Alrighty,
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Fire show here tonight.
Dito exciting po.
I'm gonna lay down a little grenade.
Ganito po sila magano. Oh my gosh, may torch pa yung nakakatuwa. Natutuwa ako sa kanila ano.
You got the right one?
Yes, I can see that.
Oh, may extra pa dito. Isa, oh.
3, 2,
Oh my gosh, nakakatuwa.
It's pretty cool. Like,
Oh my goodness. Oh, nasunog pa yung, oh, la. Tingnan mo, oh. La, tingnan niyo, oh.
like with Zach too.
Manay. Nasa floor, oh. Nasusunog. Parang nasusunog yung floor.
this way.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I will do perfect surgery. You will do all the rehab. 20% chance.
Yes, as well.
Oh, wow. That's my potato? Oh, that's my wagyu.
Goal is something better than that. Maybe I can too.
Yan, nilalagay na na. Ito yung wagyu.
So my bridge here goes by.
So, ito yung amin. Ito yung aming wagyu. Ay, bakit ganyan?
Asparagus with the salt.
Yan. Madilim kasi, kaya lima. Yan po yung wagyu. Oh, ito ang pinakamahal na steak. Si Lance din.
There's the Brussels sprouts with the butter on the
Oh,
side.
thank you.
Mashed potatoes, gentlemen.
Yan na po. Tapos na? Tapos na kanilang ano? Yan. Kami kakain na. Thank you, guys.
All right.
Yan. Lahat kami may mga ano. Okay, ito na po ang aking steak. Kaya nakakainin to. Tikman natin kung ito ay ano. Wagyu po ito. Ito ang pinaka-wagyu. The first time I ate the wagyu is in Japan.
All I know is in the store.
Ang sarap. Talagang it melts in your mouth. Grabe. Grabe. Meron dito ah. Parang eat your vegetable. Ito po yung vegetable. What is this? What is that vegetable? Brussels sprout.
All right. You're the first couple bites you be then. Right? All right, please enjoy.
So good.
So good.
Grabe. Ang sarap ng ano, ng wagyu. Mahal nga, pero the best. So good. Ako itutuloy ko na. Ayoko nakikita yung mukha ako. Magkatabi ang magtito. Parang anak-anakan namin yan si Jel. Tsaka, yan ang aming ring bearer nung wedding namin. Okay ba kayo dyan? May complimentary sila sa amin. Cherries. Ito yung complimentary nila sa amin. May crackers, goat cheese, apples, may nuts. Nag-order ako ng ng dessert. Ang gusto ko dito ng dessert nila yung espresso affogato vanilla. Ice cream na espresso. Hanggang dito naka-espresso pa ako. Which one? Which one?
The goat cheese.
It has a strong tangent taste. It's very it's so different from the goat cheese. Malakas. It has a strong flavor. Grabe. Ang tapang ng tapang. Ito po ang aming Ito yung espresso vanilla affogato. So gagawin mo, igaganyan mo siya. Ay! Ay, the grip. So, ilalagay niyo po doon yung espresso. Nagano na ako, nagkalat na naman ako. Basta yung aking nakaputi po kasi ako, kaya kailangan naka-suot ako ng... So, natikman mo, Manay? Masarap? Sabi ko sa inyo pag ako nag-suggest, talagang masarap. Ang sarap. Alam mo, meron sila dito sa first time ko natikman to, sa asado. Affogato. Ito tawag dito, espresso affogato vanilla. Yung tapang niya, yung tapang at saka yung tamis, perfect. Ito po lagi hinahanap ko. Bira lang po kasi nagkakaroon sila ng... At saka bira lang kasi nagkakaroon ng affogato na dessert. Ito at saka ang ang asado. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Wow, last topic tayo nila maritiman sa Manuel Roque. Yeah, one of our favorite din ng Stanley and Seafoods. Guys, ang sarap nito. Espresso naman niya. Sorbet. Pineapple sorbet. It's like your gelato. Grabe. Ang sarap. Maubos ko po to. Nice. Ito po ang kanilang bar. Ayan. Pakikita ko sa inyo itsura ng El Gaucho. Diyan po kami. Ayun. Iniikot ko po yan. At dito po kami nakaupo. Ayan. Ayan ang aking kapatid. Ayan. Tapos na po kami. Ayan ang anak-anakan ko si Jim. May train pa dito. Nasa labas na po kami. Nasa labas. Tingnan niyo po yung itsura ng El Gaucho. Ganyan lang po yung itsura. Parang nanggaling tayo sa... Meron pa ba? Buhay pa ba yung melting pot? Ah. Gusto ko nga lang i-vlog yung melting pot na yan.